Welcome. In this Callcabinet how-to video, I will walk you through the functionality of Callcabinet's homepage interface. I will discuss its various features, as well as how you may customize the interface to meet your needs. Let's begin. When a user logs into Callcabinet, they will log into the home page, and it is from this page that they can navigate to the different functions inside the Callcabinet application. Callcabinet's interface can be broken up into three distinct areas. Number one, the menu panel, which is on the left-hand side. Number two, the page banner, which is at the top of the interface. And number three, the details panel. Inside the details panel, information will be rendered that will be useful for the user that has logged in. The menu panel on the left-hand side is fixed. To understand what each icon represents, hover your cursor over each one and a pop-up will appear informing you as to the function that will occur when you press on that icon itself. Moving to the page banner of the view, the very first item on this page banner is a drop-down list. The name that is currently displayed in this drop-down list is the name of the account the current logged-in user has logged into. If the user has permission to log into more Callcabinet accounts, then they are able to click on the circumflex of this list, and from the list of accounts that they are allowed to log into, they may go and select that particular account, and in doing so, Callcabinet will log them into that account. Moving to the far right hand side of the page banner, you will see that there are three icons. The rightmost icon is the current logged in user's profile. By either hovering or clicking on the avatar, the logged in user is able to look at their profile. The first line of the drop-down tells them the account that they've logged into. The second line, their name and email address. The third line allows them to go and select what language they'd like to have visible on the screen. The fourth one is, would they like to enable multi-factor authentication or not, so the logged in user can decide upon that. The logged in user may also change their password if they would like to change their password. And finally, if the logged in user would like to log out, they would click the log out button, which will take them out of their Callcabinet account. Should the logged in user be experiencing a problem with their Callcabinet account, they are able to click on or hover over the second most right icon and a support drop-down will pop up. If the logged in user is not understanding certain aspects of the Callcabinet interface, they are able to go and click on the Callcabinet user guide button, which will navigate them to an online user guide. By them reading this online user guide, hopefully any of their queries will be answered. Likewise, if the logged in user is a partner user, they may click on the partner user guide should they require any further information regarding the partner portal. The logged in user is able to change the look and feel of their screen. To do so, they would go to the third most right icon and click on that icon, and then from the drop down they are able to select which mode they would like to apply to their interface. So for example, the current mode that is being shown on the screen right now is a light mode. They can then decide no, they would rather like to have the dark mode. So by clicking on the dark mode item, the dark mode would appear. And if the system has been set up with a specific mode, they can select on the system mode as well. Please note that any of these changes that are made to this particular icon will be associated with this logged in user alone. So each logged in user is able to determine their own look and feel. Moving back to the left of our page banner, you will see that there are a number of tablatures on this page. Now selecting that tablature will take you to the different portals. Which tablatures are being rendered here will depend upon your account. So clicking on the recording tablature, which by the way is the default, will allow a user and an end user to fulfill their functions of managing their calls. If you have an analytics license and you're an analytics user, then you would click on the analytics tablature to go to that particular portal. And likewise, if you're a partner user, you would click on the partner tablature to take you through to the partner portal.